So yeah, I always enjoyed it. I always enjoyed it. I mean, I
Yeah.
remember you and I were both in grammar school when we were watching the shuttle explosion. Remember, we were in class and they had it on TV. When the teacher was part of that, that was a big thing for all the schools. They were all showing it, and we all watched this thing explodes in the sky. So,
The thing was, that was what, that was elementary school. That was early, 80s with no internet. So it's like when you're watching it, you're like, I just remember it was like one of those things that was at our age. It was like, what grade were we in? Was that 84 that happened?
I think it was 84. If it was
But
84, it'd probably be around sixth or seventh grade, somewhere around there.
I just remember we were in, so we had those portable classrooms. And I want to say that that's where we were because I remember the cabinet that we were watching it on. It's like one of those just distant memories. But I think the thing that I remember was just like standing there, like, what the fuck just happened?
Right.
Because you even had the reporters, because you couldn't go to the internet, you couldn't check anything. You just stayed on the channel we were on, and it's like you're looking at it, and the reporters were in the same boat we were in. They were just like, it looks like there was a problem, you know.
Right.
So yeah,
Actually, it was. We were in eighth grade. I take that back. It
oh,
was eighth
really?
grade.
Okay,
The Challenger. Yeah,
it was 85,
it blew up in '86,
86. Okay,
January 28th.
86.
So
Okay,
40
yeah.
years ago, basically, which makes sense. That's right. I forgot we were talking about that, or it was brought up. Obviously, they were
It was funny.
remembering 40 years ago. But yeah, 40 years ago.
I remember that. I mean, I remember just standing there, just like looking at the screen, like.